Hello, my name is Musonza Holman, and I'm the founder of Love Zimbabwe charity, which is based in Abergavenny here in Wales. So I've been very lucky to come to the UK because when you are in a village like that in Zimbabwe, it's so hard. No one hears your voice. So when I came to the UK, my idea was to set up an organization that would encourage community participation, but that would also raise awareness about sustainable issues, sustainable projects that will help mostly women in the community. You have just given me the wings to fly. This award has given me the wings to fly. It has given me, the opportunity to just realize that I can do more. This is not the end. The journey is still going. A lot of people that we work with in the village, they've got no job security at all. We are working with people who are marginalized, people who are parents of disabled children who have got no other forms of income. They can't even send their children to school. So by introducing sustainable projects that we are doing at the community center, they are creating social enterprises that gives them money to look after themselves, but also to enable them to send their children to school. So it is really vital, it is really important that we get this funding and we keep these projects running as well. It's more about understanding each other, knowing our needs, and also appreciating our diversity. We just have to have open mind, to be open-minded people and appreciate each other. That's how it has worked for me and for the people back in Zimbabwe. I have been thinking about it actually, because now I am working, I'm going to go full-time working as a lecturer. So my time is now limited on what I've been doing for Love Zimbabwe. I'm still working for Love Zimbabwe, volunteering, but I think we need to have consultation on increasing our recruiting trustees who have got different backgrounds. We are looking at increasing our skills base for the charity. So we want to find consultation to be helped to understand, to have a look at what skills have we got at the moment in the charity, but how can we reach out? Because we're talking of getting funding here, but you've got to have the skills. How do you fill in the forms? How do you please the funder? So we are looking for people who've got this expertise to join our charity. And I think this is something that we would like support with if we're going to have a consultant. I am a very, very strong believer, and my values are about fairness. So when you are part of a system, you feel safe, you feel free. And this is what this has brought to me, because I feel I'm part of a global system. I feel I'm part of a community. So I believe in inclusiveness. Even in my education, even in my teaching as a teacher now, I always value everyone within a system, despite your background. Without respect, without valuing each other, we are empty. We don't succeed unless we look at each other with the trust, with the value, and with respect. Because we still have stigmas, even here in the developed world. People still see, when you come from Africa, come here, they've got so many issues around you that these people are coming to claim benefits, these people, that's why we are poor, these people don't work, and yet that is not true. So I do like your approach to remove these attitudes that exist in society. And I think it's just about humanity. I don't mind involving someone who is disabled from Africa, but who is showing a positive side of what they are doing. Let's bring up positive stories. Let's not bring the negative stories.